Hello, grade 2. Okay, now let's have our mother tongue. So the title of our lesson is Paano Maging Matapat? How to be honest. So let's read first tula or poem. Paano maging matapat? Follow after me. Paano maging matapat? Ang katapatan ay isang magandang pag-uugali. Your turn. Ito ay kayamanan na dapat nating tinatangi. Go. Sa pagdidesisyon ay hindi dapat magmadali. Go. Nang ikaw at ako ay hindi laging magkamali. Go. Kapag may nakitang barya o gamit na di atin, go. Ilayo sa ating isip na ito ay angkinin. Go. Ipagtanong ang may-ari at ibalik natin. Go. Laging isa puso na ito ang tamang gawin. Go. Kung ikaw ay makabasag ng plato o baso, huwag matakot. Go. Huwag matakot na sabihin ang totoo. Go. Mapagalitan ka man ng iyong lolo o tito. Go. Maalwa naman ito sa kalooban mo. Go. Okay, very good. Now, please get your mother tongue book. Okay? Ano ang magandang asal na itinuturo ng tula? What lesson can we learn from the poem? Okay? Ang pagiging ano? Next, number 2. Ano ang gagawin mo kapag nakapulot ka ng pera na hindi sa iyo? Okay? You found a money but it is not yours. So what are you gonna do? Write your answer. Next, number 3. Ano ang gagawin mo kapag nabasag mo ang plato sa bahay ng iyong tito? So you're in your uncle's house. Okay? And then, na-break mo yung plate nila. So what are you gonna do? Okay, by the way, some of the mother tongue books, we are not the same with the pages, but the content, they are the same. So this is the picture of our lesson for today. Please, if you are not same with my page, please find this one, Ika-4 na linggo. The title is, Paano ba maging tapat? Because some of you are not same with because I'm using the old version, okay? And you are using the new version. But the content is just the same, okay? So now, please close your book for a while and let's learn again what is panghalip, okay? Yung panghalip ay humahalili sa pangalan. Remember, pronoun. So these are the examples of panghalip. Ako, ikaw, ito. Ito is for the animals and things. Kami or we, tayo. Kami, you are, it's the same. Kami and tayo is also, in English, it is also we. Sila, they, siya, he or she, you. Okay? So, yan yung mga panghalip. Ako, ikaw, ito, kami, tayo, sila, at siya. So, let's practice. Hanapin ko na saan ang, nakita na dito. So, example ito. Pupunta kami sa parke sa linggo. So, dito, ang panghalip dito is kami. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the next one. Makinig tayo sa payo ng ating guro. So where is the panghalip there? Ready? Think. Say it. Correct. Tayo. Next, ako ay nag-aaral sa LCSN. Where is the panghalip? Ready? Think. Say it. Correct. It is ako. Next, ikaw ba ay kumain na? Ikaw ba ay kumain na? Where is the panghalip? Ready? Think. Say it. Correct. The word is ikaw. And the next one, masaya ka ba sa ginagawa mo? Masaya ka ba sa ginagawa mo? Ready? Think. Say it. Correct. Ka. Okay, now in your book work, still page 36, it's the down part, gawain 4, because a while ago we do the gawain 3. And for this one, my book has answer eh. That's why I cannot show the picture. So this one, there's what's this? Puzzle. And you're gonna find the 7 panghalip. So what are the 7 panghalip? So these are the example. You're gonna find this one. Ako, find this word. Ikaw, ito, kami, tayo, sila, siya. Okay, ready? Go, find. I'm gonna show this one so you can find the words in your puzzle. Find the 7 panghalip. Okay, done? So if you are not yet done, you can pause this video. But if you are done, let's proceed with our assignment. So for your assignment, take a picture of page 36 and send it in class dojo. Okay, bye everyone and see you tomorrow.